Hi everyone, and welcome back to Gina's Food Court. As you all know, I'm a civil engineering student. Wait a minute, make that civil engineering graduate. That's right, Jenny and I graduated college, and as a graduation gift to ourselves, we booked a trip to Kauai, Hawaii. We booked hiking tours to explore the island and even took surfing lessons. Neither Jenny or I were very good at surfing, but you know what they say, when there's a will, there's a wave. And this was Jenny's reaction after I pitched her that pun in the airport. Talk about a resting beach face, am I right? We asked plenty of locals which dish would be best to make for Gina's Food Court, and they all gave the same answer.
We gotta try the Loco Moco.
Loco Moco.
The Loco Moco is a simple Hawaiian dish that consists of white rice, hamburger, brown gravy, and egg. Our biggest challenge was cooking in our small Airbnb kitchen, which didn't have a stove, but we made use of the electric skillet and rice cooker. Here's what you'll need to make this dish, and you can find the full recipe with ingredient amounts in the description below. Start by rinsing your rice in cold water. Then add 1 cup of rice with 1 cup of water to your rice cooker and cook for about 13 minutes. It's very important not to open your rice cooker before the time is up. Let's not go against the grain on this one, okay? No more Mr. Rice Guy. As long as you keep the cooker closed, everything will be all rice. Okay, I'm done. In the meantime, get started on your burger by creating a 1/4 pound patty. Season it with salt and pepper and cook it in oil over medium-high heat for about 4 minutes on each side. If the patty starts burning, it's probably because you need to use Aloha temperature, like a lower temperature. Go ahead and set aside your patty, but keep the grease in the pan to make the gravy. Reduce the heat and add in your flour. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes and then add in the beef broth and soy sauce. Cook until thickened for about 5 minutes, then add in your butter and season with salt and pepper. Set your gravy off to the side and start cooking your eggs. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil on medium-high heat and crack the eggs into the pan. Cook the eggs until the whites are cooked all the way through and the yolk is still loose. This could take 3 to 4 minutes, so try not to get too exhausted. Plate the dish by laying down a bed of rice, then top with the burger patty, gravy, and egg. And that's all there is to it. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. We definitely enjoyed making it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next episode, and until then, aloha!